That powers up the computer screen. And that goes right up on your deal right here. It goes underneath here. Pull it up. Oh, there. And you got reverse and everything. Let me off this thing.
Okay.
Couple more times to be out there.
Here, hang on, I'll back you up.
Over here.
Look at Rob, here he comes. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. That's too dangerous. That's too dangerous, Rob. That is too dangerous.
That's what we do with them.
What if you flipped over?
And something gone into the mud.
Leaning like a motorcycle.
No, they're too crazy. No,
They still make the stand up one.
that is too fast. They could run into each other. Ooh, they scare me. You are too dangerous.
You are too dangerous. Mom, I'm gonna get on this jet ski.
Now our doctor that's too high on there.
See how high the bumpers were.
Yeah, we need to still need to get some tie off. Let's get some tie offs on there. Need to get
Oh my god! Oh my god!
that takes experience, Bob. Yeah.
Soldiers didn't have no brakes.
Yeah.
They're too dangerous on.
Yeah. That's how me and Bobby, we always run it, and that's why. But he ain't used to it yet. He's allowed to hit the bank a couple times. Little Bobby about climbed that thing.
Did I call me?
It does have a reverse on it, don't it?
They got a reverse.
That's the only brake you got.
Yeah.
Ooh, Rob.
God is so
Uh-oh, now he's in for the kill. Oh, Jesus, they're too dangerous.
No, they are too sweet. Oh my god.
They're too dangerous, David.
Too dangerous.
You need to say something to
That's
them.
how they're made to do.
Wob, stop! Can you please stop that, Wob? Wob, stop! Stop it! Stop it, Wobby! Oh my god.
will they give me if I bet my blood pressure's up?
You was at Kentucky Lake, wasn't you?
No, I didn't go that
Oh, you
year.
didn't go?
No. I would have had a heart
Well,
attack.
Me and them boys tore up. It cost us $11,000 for repairs on them.
I would have had a heart attack. Ah, Bobby just drenched him. Little Bobby just drenched him. Little Bobby just drenched him. Yeah, he got him. People can get killed on these things.
They,
They need helmets on.
yeah. They need helmets on and hats.
I don't want nobody riding these tomorrow, not unless they know what they're doing.
It's just like my Uncle Bobby.
Your Uncle Robbie's just too foolish.
And Bobby is too fast.
And little Bobby's too fast, yes.